Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature, and today I will show you how to use rule surface. But before we start, let's take a look at this first. If you mechanical engineering student or people who like make a project and you want to use my 3D concept, you can buy my concept. Use this link. Go to my bio, click this link, click link ID dream nest. See, now click this machine. With 150,000 rupiah, you will get 3D CAD machine, Pro Solid file, 2D drawing, and you can modify the 3D and 2D CAD data use Solidworks 23T. What are you waiting for? Come on and buy it now. Active roll surface. See, now you have 5 type parameter. This parameter just for determine the direction like this. In click tangent to surface, in edge selection, click this edge. See, in distance direction parameter, you can change the distance like this and click OK. See, now go to roll surface feature. Let's choose normal to surface. Change the direction. See, and click OK. See, and go to roll surface again. Now we choose temper to vector like this. In this parameter, you choose the direction parameter like this. You can click front plane, top plane or right plane. In this case, I choose top plane. And in this type parameter, you can change the degree like this. See, and click OK. See, you park like this and go to roll surface again. Now we choose perpendicular to vector. Familiar with the temper to vector, we choose the parameter direction. In this case, I choose right plane. See, maybe the direction parameter is 10 mm and click OK. See, maybe from parameter and click OK. See, in my conclusion, roll surface function is for extend the surface feature. See, now you know how to use roll surface. I think that is the end tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.